This is nonsense, Chairman. We cannot allow some hostile witness to come here.
I'm chairing this. And
you are not chairing. He's the one who is chairing.
No.
He's telling you what to do.
No.
It is true. You are intimidated by this man.
No.
Just because he's a president, Kenyans needs to know Duale is messing up health.
We are going to.
He's asking where is the vice chair? Are you thinking your place was as the vice chair?
You are out of order.
We will not allow you.
You are out of order.
But we will close hospitals.
I don't own a hospital anywhere. That is the strategy you are trying to use to silence us. You close the hospital. Close them. But stop stealing from Shah, Duale and your friends. I have no interest. You declare your interest. Last year you changed the fare at 12.
Let's take the next
This
step.
nonsense you're bringing to this country.
Honorable,
Munaibia watu hapa.
that's fine.
You should not be this.
Wewe unaibia watu.
Waziri,
Have a chair.
proceed
You cannot
and
be telling a
read
meeting in
your
parliament.
answers and
You are
now
harassing
do
your
not
chairman, you are
interact
harassing
directly with
members.
any other member.
Who are you? You think you can intimidate
Chairman,
us?
we
We don't fear you.
will write to the speaker. This gentleman should not be in this committee
I will be in this
because of conflict of interest.
I have.
Why you-